Check out this new 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500HD boasts a 6.0-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the mirrors, outside high visibility vertical camper style, black, emissions, federal requirements, GVWR, 9,500 pounds, 4,309 kilograms, jet black dark ash, cloth seat trim and the trailering equipment. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.